In this video, I'll show you how to update AAA auto insurance coverage. And if you're new to AAA, we'll include our referral link in the description below so you can sign up and start enjoying member benefits right away. To start, open the website, acg.aaa.com. Then click on Sign In. Next, on the fields provided, enter your user ID and password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the left side of the screen. Click on the tab that says Manage AAA Insurance. On the drop-down list, click on the option that says Update My Auto Policy. Next, click on the auto policy you wish to update. You will then be redirected to this page. Under Vehicles, you will see an option that says Edit Coverage. Click on Edit Coverage. Then, on this page, you will be asked when would you like your coverage to be updated. Select the date you wish to set. Then click on Continue. Next, from the list of vehicle coverages, change the limit of the coverage you wish to update. Once changed, click on Continue. Lastly, review your summary of changes. Once reviewed and if everything looks good, click on Update. A pop-up tab will then appear asking if you are ready to update your policy. To proceed, click on Continue. That's how you update your AAA auto insurance coverage. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.